On September 18th, 2014, in New York City, a momentous event took place. A company, the Alibaba Group, went public and raised almost $250 billion in one day through a stock offer. Its founder, Jack Ma, instantly became one of the richest men in the world. In fact, overnight, he became the richest man in China. When he was told years ago that he was not capable of managing a Kentucky Fried Chicken fast food restaurant, it did not faze him. His companies will become the first to reach $1 trillion in online sales. For years, people put down one of his businesses, Alibaba.com. YouTubers claimed the site could not be trusted. It was a ripoff. Products were cheap and unreliable. Your money would get stolen, and the list goes on. Some eBayers and Amazon sellers paid attention to this chatter. They never ventured forward. However, those that knew how to safely use the website made millions. Here's a picture of Jack Ma at the Alibaba.com headquarters. 35 million products to choose from, over 2 million suppliers. Let me ask you a question. Are you sourcing from Alibaba.com? And if not, why not? Did you know that a large number of top sellers on Amazon and eBay, whose revenue exceeds $500,000 per year, source many and sometimes all of their products from Alibaba.com? Why this source? It's simple. They have branded themselves on eBay, Amazon, and Etsy and import Chinese-made products that are appealing, sell well, and have great profit margins. In this course, I will show you how to safely source products from Alibaba.com and AliExpress.com, which is Alibaba.com's sister website. I'll show you what products to buy and what not to buy, how to identify trustworthy suppliers, how to brand yourself so you get higher search rankings, how to go inside eBay and Amazon to determine the most searched and best-selling items, the only way to pay for product, the only way to safely pay for product, how to determine if freight charges are fair, and so much more.